over there. This is where I grinded previously. So I got the pulley and the crankshaft back in the vise here. Let's go. You can see there. So that's all good. So I grinded a little bit inside there. Guys, welcome back to the channel and to another video. In this one I'll be inputting the rest of the data for the front pulley, and then I'll be balancing the pulley to the crankshaft. Remember, at this stage the crankshaft is balanced, so we regard that as 0, and I'll be balancing the pulley to the crankshaft, and once that's complete then we can regard the unit as a 0 unit, all balanced up. So enjoy the video, guys. So 0.835, that was the mass. Once again, I'll balance to a 6.3 coefficient, and I'll press G. So there she gave the tolerance. This one here will be 0, yeah, with 0.086. Now I'll change this to the balancing speed, which is 1000, and I'll OK that. So there we can see we're back to our single plane. Never mind that will zero out as soon as I start the machine. So then I'll go to the system, go to the systems again. I'll come here, static balancing. Okay, let's go. I'll take it slowly up to speed again. Okay, she's almost there. There we go. And I'll press H and I'll stop. Now I'll take out the calibration putty and do what I must do. Okay, so I'll take this piece of putty here. And I've got my scale here, it's actually on already. I'm going to just show it 0. Put that on. And I got 2.28 grams. Do that again. 2.28 grams, that's my calibration putty. Let's put that on the board. Putty. Okay, so this putty I'll stick on 0, which is there. You can see the light is reflecting on the, then we can see the dot. And I'll put it on, I'll put it here, which is, put it this side here, which is on 0, there. Once again, make sure it's nice and tight, otherwise she will just come flinging off. Right, let's start up. There she goes. Just stop and enter. I'll press enter. So I pressed enter. Obviously this comes up, and this weight was 2.28. 2.28. I'll enter that. Was at 0 degrees. Enter that. So now remove my putty, stick it there, run the machine again. Thank you. Just full. Stop. So I'll just print this quickly. I'll just OK that and actually run it again. Cool. Stop it, and I'll print it now. So this printout is now the before balancing for the pulley. Okay, so there we go. So this pulley is 2 grams at 264 degrees. Must come off there. You can see she's quite a bit out, so I'll try to work my magic to get it in. So I got it on. I'll take off some mass there and see what she does. Okay, so she's back in, getting up to speed. Let's just check. Okay, we're down to 1.21 grams. So she's coming closer. Remember, it was out there early on. Down to 1.21 at 321 degrees. As you can see, when we started we were 206 and we're 121 now. So she's in the right direction. So I got the pulley and the crankshaft back in the vise here. I'm just going to take this off because I don't grind or anything much on the machine. So I'll just take this off here quickly and do what I must do. So you can see there that I grinded the pulley there. So I'll stick it in now and see what it does. Okay, back in. Let's start up. Okay. Okay, so we're down to 0.4 grams at 210. So we're getting there. This is just going to be a matter of just touching it. So let's grind it again. So I made the mark over there. This is where I grinded previously. Made the mark there. I'm going to take off some there and then see what it looks like. Okay, let's try again. $9.85, $86, $87, going up. Okay. Okay, so she's dancing with me a little bit now. 0.0, 0.34, 0.39 at 346. But it was actually 0.43 before this, so she is definitely coming down. So I'm going to mark it again, take it out of here, grind it over there, stick it in, and let's see. Okay, so let's run it again. So I grinded a little bit inside there. Cool. 19. Okay, some 0.19 grams at 86 degrees. So I'm going to stick the pencil grinder in again, touch it, and then let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm just finished grinding inside there, and let's give it another run. Okay, 0.15, 103. Okay guys, so I got it running again after grinding inside there, and she's perfect. You can see she's 0.04 grams. I mean, that's seriously nothing. So let's just print this quickly. Okay, right now, so this is now balanced. This was balanced as I explained earlier on. This is like close to 0, very close to 0 grams out. This was unbalanced, which I showed you with the disqualification printout, and now got the qualification printout. So now this is balanced to that, and I'll just show you this on the comparison here. So this was the crankshaft pulley, that was the mass. The permissible unbalance was 0.09, and I got this thing down to 0.04, hence it being a qualification. That's the uneven mass inside there, so this is qualified. So I put this one here next door to it. This was the crank pulley, same data. It was 2 grams out before I started. It was out there, and I brought it all the way in. And if I go this way, this was the crankshaft. This was the unqualified one. It was 3.95. This just as a recap, guys. It was 3.95 at 1 degree and 4.60 at 155. And then I brought down to a qualified position of 0.16 at 151 and 0.34 at 234. So I mean, this is as near as damn it, guys. I mean, that's virtually in. That's, I mean, as long as it's in that circle, it's as near as damn it. Then it's all within the permissible mass for this component, considering its size. So crankshaft good, pulley good. Okay, so that concludes another video. So now we have the pulley balanced to the crankshaft, pulley regarded as 0, crankshaft regarded as 0. So as a unit, we can regard them as a 0 unit, all balanced to each other. Next will be the flywheel, but that will be in the next one. Until then, cheers for now. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, tell your friends about it, and then I'll see you on the next one. Cheers for now.
Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me?